Hello everyone, it's Monica and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've got for you this card with a pocket for chocolate inside. This is only a base without any decoration, but what I was thinking, because I've been making those cards for many years, and I was thinking that maybe I should actually do a tutorial for this card and how to make the base and how to decorate it. So now I will show you how to create the base. All you will need to do is to grab some card. I've got, let me see, this one is white stamping card by Crafter's Companion. This one is 300 GSM. It doesn't have to be 300, but at least 250. And we need A4 sheet of card. And now what we need to cut it into 10.5 inch by 7.5 inch. I've got everything written down and I will write again in the description box below for you to copy and save it for yourself. And okay, let me grab my guillotine. And first I need to cut into 10.5 inches. 10.5. by 7.5. And also what you will need to have, you will need to have another pieces of paper for this bit over here. So you will need to have two pieces of 2 inches and 3/8 by 1.5 inch. So I've got a piece like that, which is 2 inches and 3/8. So that's the one. And then I'm going to score it together with that big piece. Hopefully it's not confusing, but once you will follow and write your own description, then it's going to be easier for you. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the score lines. So we've got that long side and we're going to score at, hopefully you can see everything. Let me double check. Yes, you can see. So the first score line is at a 3.5 inch, and then 4, then 7.5, 7.5, and 8. So we are here, and 8, and it's finishing at 10.5 inch. And we need that little bits, those 2 bits. So we've got that, and we need to score it at 1/2 inch, 1, 1.5, 2. We need 1, 2, 3 for one side and 1, 2. And yes, so this one is going to be, I think, yeah, that's incorrect. So we need piece measuring 2 inches and 3/8 by 3 inches. 3 inches. And now I need some scissors. So I need to cut that bit off, because we need 2 of those. Can you see the score lines? If you at any point will have some questions, just write it down below in the comment box. And now we're going to score and burnish every single score line. So you can if you can see the measurements, you can write it down for yourself. So that's for the base. If you want to decorate your card in a different way, you can write different measurements. Those measurements are for decoration. I've got them ready on the side, but let's keep it on this side for now. So I've got those two bits, which they're going to be on the side to hold the chocolate in place. And just to say another thing, this card, this pocket fits chocolate which is 100 grams, so any Cadbury chocolate standard size will fit this card. As you can see, there is still a bit of room, but because of the pocket is designed this way, sometimes I see those cards which have the pocket on this side, but this way, when you put the chocolate this way, if you give it to someone, it can easily fall out. So I think this way is better because you can tie it together and it looks nice as well once you decorate it. Okay, we're going to burnish all the score lines. I hope you are well. I'm just wondering what you are doing. I actually need to hurry up a little bit because my daughter is finishing her swimming club soon, and once she will be at home, it's not going to be that quiet. It's going to be, "Mommy, where's my dinner?" So let me show you. We've got this part ready. Now what we're going to do, we can either secure those flaps over here now, or what I will show you how I do it myself. I actually cover the front and back and sides with design scrapbooking paper, and then I attach those little small pieces. But before you put the design scrapbooking paper, you have to make sure that you attach any ribbon, string, whatever you want to use. So I will just mark a little bit here for myself to a center point. I've done quite a few of those recently for as a gifts for teachers, with chocolates for my daughters and my friends. I've had few requests to make them. No, that shouldn't be here. That should be, see, if you rush too much you can make mistakes, but double check before you glue anything. That's what I do. But even then, sometimes it just goes not in the right way as I wish. For the ribbon, I usually cut about 7 inches for each side. So I need 2 pieces of ribbon. I've got them ready. I'm going to use the same. It's going to be pink. And I use double-sided tape to secure the ribbon here. And another one. And once the ribbon is in place, then we can start decorating. So let me put this aside so I can show you exactly how many pieces of and what kind of sizes you need to have to decorate around the card. You need, and inside you need 3 pieces of 7 inches and 3/8 by 3 inches and 2/8 as well. And then that's the first one. And then we need those thinner strips of paper to decorate the spine and the one inside as well. So I've got 3 of those as well. Yes, I've got 3 of those. And then 1 piece which is going to be inside for the pocket. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. And I need, so that's the one inside, and then I need 2 short ones to cover those 2 bits Those two needs to be covered by those two little ones. Yeah, so we are already here, and on the top front panel we're going to use this one, but I will show you how to do it. So this one will be on the top, and then this one will be adhered with a 3D forms and other stuff on top of that as well. So what I will do, I will fast forward the video because we are already 10 minutes, and then if you've got any question at any point, just write the comment below. But those are the dimensions, the measurements for to decorate the whole card. the card with the pocket for chocolate looks like. If you want, you can print some wishes or write the wishes on a piece of card and place it here. And this is how the card looks like. I've been rushing a little bit with this card. I hope you forgive me. I missed, I thought I switched on the camera and I missed the part when I was actually decorating the front and inside, but all the measurements are here. And I think this measurement was actually correct. Let me grab rubber, because it says 2 pieces off, and if you want to cut 1 piece, so this one is actually correct, but you need to score it every half an inch, and you need those 2 pieces, yeah, like that. I hope you can see what I meant by writing those 2 pieces. Those pieces are here to secure for the chocolate not to fall out. And I think that's it. As I said, I was rushing a little bit because I supposed to make that video last week because someone asked me to do it, but because I've been busy with with work and with children at home, end of the school year, and other projects, I just managed to do it now. If you've got any question about any part of this process, just let me know. I hope you understand the measurements as well. I think the most important bit is how to create the base and how to, if you and you know how to decorate, you can create your own way. You don't have to create it in the same way as I did with the panel. You can create something completely different. And if you create this kind of card with the chocolate inside, please let me know. Send me a link in the comment below. I really would love to see your take on this kind of piece. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.